Embed the door frame into the wall and use a spirit level to locate the door frame. Place the floor spring into the frame. It should be noted that the spring position needs to be aligned with the upper screw hole. After determining the position of the door frame, drive in the screws to secure it. Tighten the screws on both sides of the floor spring first, then tighten the upper and lower screws. The door panel is very heavy. Installation requires the coordination of multiple people. Put the accessories into the floor spring before installing the door panel. There is a notch at the bottom of the door that connects to the floor spring. Turn the upper screw to secure the door leaf. Adjust the position of the door panel and install the floor spring accessories. Install the door lock into the door panel. Tighten the screws to secure the door lock. Install the handle accessories into the door panel. Install the door handle and tighten the screws. Install the aluminum strip into the door frame. Check whether the door can be used normally to complete the product installation.